Yo, what is up, everybody? This is me, Service Mechanic here, and today I have my brand new toy. So, you want to check? Ta-da! I brought that box. I was unboxing that thing. So, what's our box? There we go. And let me put the head down. Alright, it's on. There it is. The Velociraptor.
How's everything else out then?
So it comes with the button. Press that button, it will transform the gooey. On the left side, you can see it was do like that. Open his jaws like that, and you can move these things. So it's cool. And we got the playable Velociraptor blue. Looks cool.
Hey, where's the...
Oh, there's these speakers that look color me. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see ya.